Hey guys, I'm Spencer here at Adventure Camper Sales in Clarksville, Tennessee, and I'm going to go over this 324 MBS Reflection by Grand Design. Come on in, we'll check it out. Starting with the solid surface countertops. These are really nice. They're easy to clean. You don't have to worry about scratch, dents, stings, anything like that. And the countertops, that's a nice little feature, and just visually, they're so much more appealing. You do have the residential style grill top, microwave, and refrigerator. Nice. You do have the electric fireplace, which acts as an excellent furnace. You'll see that there are designated drawers to silverware. It's already built in, ready to rock and roll. Built-in trash can. Can't tell you how many times campers come and they don't have a trash can. Farm-style residential sink. You do have flush slide floors, so there's no tripping, stubbing toes, anything like that. Much easier to clean. We have a huge pantry. I mean, that's plenty enough food for you, the kiddos, everybody. And these are deep. I mean, really deep. So that's really nice. And as you can see there, they are motion sensing lights. We do have a hidden pet dish. I think that's a very nice touch. So over here, we have a nice big U-shaped dinette. There's a couple of little things that Grand Design is doing differently that I really like. Starting with the fact that, you know how the cushions, if you've ever had a camper, they're always kind of awkward and they don't fit right. They want to fall and lean off the wall. Well, this has a nice triangular shape to it, which actually adds nice like lumbar support, and it makes for a much more comfortable seat. They make things easy here. You just push down, that folds into the position that you want it. You put the cushion there and you're good to go. And then when you're ready to pull it back up, you just simply pull that and she rises right back up. That easy. We have the beautiful Thomas Paine recliners. This is nice if it's just two people. However, this is a power port that can go down, and then this can fold right up, and then you've got 3 recliners and not 2. Over here, we have a very nice barn door, which leads into the bunk room. If you've ever been in a bunk room, you know that the bunks come in and they're super small, right? Well, not these. These are huge. And then if you don't want this bunk, you just do that, and it's out of your way. And then there's tons of storage in here, so the kids could literally have all of their clothes and things like that in here. You've got tons of cabinets, soft clothes. And coming into the master bedroom, you have another nice barn door that magnet locks there. You have a nice queen size mattress with storage underneath. You do see the designated AC for the bedroom. You've got outlets on both sides of the bed, as well as nightstands and storage. So that's super nice. You know, you can charge your phone, sleep app machines, anything like that can go right there. And they put in a nice padded headboard, which is great. So on the outside of this 324 MBS Reflection by Grand Design, you know, this is campsite. You're gonna be out here hanging out with your family. You got the awning out, TV on, games going, all those things. Kids are hungry. You can get those burgers going on this flat top griddle here with the family. You also have a built-in fridge right next door to it. Right there, okay. And then let's say you want to get cleaned up out here. You got a spray port right here. Quick connect. There's a hose that comes with it. You can spray everything off, put it away, nice and clean. Don't have to worry about it for the next camping trip. You're gonna have a pass-through storage. And again, this is like a toy hauler bedding. You can't tear it up. We have electrical outlets, cable hookup, satellite hookup, and a motion sensing light. Full load of propane. I mean, this will keep you and the family warm for quite some time. You will see your electrical systems, such as a solar charge controller, a inverter, and then a battery disconnect and battery box as well. On the side here, one thing I like to point out, now this camper is a little longer. People might get intimidated and go, oh, I don't know if I can tow that, you know, how do I see down the side? Well, you've got side cameras that can plug right in there, and you can see down the entire side of the camper. You will have your auto level system, so all you gotta do is push a button, camper levels out for you, you don't even have to worry about it. You've got an outdoor shower, hot and cold water, power outlets, satellite hookup, tire pressure monitoring system. I mean, you name it, it's got it. We have a tankless hot water heater. So, your kids want to shower, you want to shower, the husband, the wife, the aunt, the uncle, everybody wants to shower. Well, you've got plenty of hot water to do so. You don't have to worry about running out. One thing you will notice on this camper is the red brake calipers. That is to signify the ABS system on these campers. You do have a 2-inch receiver. This is gonna be capable of towing up to, I wanna say it is 3,000 pounds. Yep, 3,000 pounds. So jet skis, you know, anything like that you wanna bring with you, you can hook up right here to this 2-inch receiver. And reverse lights. So they ran electrical back here, so that way your trailer that you tow behind it will also have electrical. You do have the rear backup light, which small things, but they matter. You've got a massive awning on the campsite. Again, so if you're out here cooking, hanging out, you know, having a great time. You're in the shade, you're not getting cooked by the sun. You've also got a puppy leash. So you could have a dog tether here. You can have your dog hanging out with you without him running off of the campground. All these doors, you'll see they all have magnet locks, so they're not gonna fight you, they stay there. And they are slam latch doors. Thanks for coming along this tour of the 324 MBS Reflection by Grand Design. Again, my name is Spencer. Come on down to Clarksville, Tennessee at Adventure Camper Sales and let me help you discover your Grand Design.